Hello everyone, thanks for the love. I am Deliang, the host of this channel, and here is a short video of sport meet which is organized by Liangmai Christian Fellowship, Guwahati. And I, on behalf of Liangmai Christian Fellowship, would like to say thanks to the Liangmai Christian Fellowship for the invitation. Please watch the video till the end. Here we go. Nothing so. Sabar, sabar. Good, good. Two. Sabar, sabar. Ini gue fan merah, Mak.
Thank you so much, the organizer, for having me here.
Oi.
And congratulations to both the winners and
Runners up, volley women, and we know them. They have played very well. Pumai Fellowship, give them a big hand. And I request the guest of honor to hand over. Volley champion 2019 women, IFSM, that is Inter Sports Fellowship Sports Meet, Comrade Fellowship. Woo! Of the women group. Thank you. Well played. We really appreciate your enthusiasm. City Fellowship! With a score of... How many goals you scored? I forgot. Small trophy along with the envelope. God bless you. God bless you all. And now... Come up! The Elemers, the strongest team ever. The champion team of the football men, IFSM 2019 goes to, oh yes, Elemers. Elemers. God bless you, God bless you. God bless you, God bless you. With the trophy, that's a representation of your hard labor. I hope you will not mind for it. This is a sign of a bond of love that we have for one another. And so I hope you cooperate with us. And we pray that in the next event, that is next year probably, you have a freedom to host